What's up, everybody? It's Jen. I'm here filling in for the photo booth bartending rental guy. You're probably wondering where he's been. He's not far. He is busy. Stay tuned. You'll see him soon.
Daddy, your YouTube followers want to see you make a video.
I know, buddy. I know. I'm just so busy with quotes. Okay, I'll put it away. What's up, guys? Thanks for being patient with me. I haven't made many videos lately, but I plan to make many vlogs this season. Let's get into the vlog. It's wedding season, so every weekend that a wedding happens, the bride puts her stuff up for sale the week after. So keep in mind that brides are selling stuff after their wedding now, so always check Facebook Marketplace and the classifieds for brides selling their items, and you might find some cool buys. Maybe some rustic doors or whatever they have at their wedding. A lot of times this is when the love letters go up for sale, so keep your eye out for those. Today I'm excited to tell you that I bought some amazing stuff for a great deal. In order to pick up what I just bought, I need my trailer. So I bought some Costco chairs, as you see in these stacks here, and 12 8-foot MIDI light ABS tables, and I got a nice table dolly out of it, and I got a nice chair dolly out of it as well for $550. So this past week has been the week of me getting 10 by 20 tents ready for the rental season. So I had a few that needed a little bit of TLC this year, so I bought some replacement parts, and I bought some brand new heavy duty canopy tops, and then I also bought some heavy duty framed pop-up tents. I had 6 gigs through the weekend, so they were all pretty much pop-up tents. The first gig, $822.23. The second one was $276.89, and then $157.62, and $356.36, $49.84, and $471.75. So totals about $2,100. And deposits were also coming in all weekend. I can't believe I didn't get into tents sooner. So thank you to Gorothbalion and Tent Guy for showing me the way and helping me become a tent guy, or a little tent guy, or whatever. We're getting 2 orders ready for tomorrow. So this one just has some wine glasses, some brown folding chairs, and some 6-foot tables. And then this one for tomorrow is some light duty tents, some weights, some round tables, some fan backs, and yeah, so that's what we're loading up. Okay, so we're in the backyard here. There's going to be 6 tents set up and then an extra one just in case. Start recording all your setups so that you can make videos that could potentially be used as commercials in the future. So this is the video I made from this current setup. Okay, back from doing the 2 deliveries. Now I've got quotes to do, so let's do the quotes. What's up, guys? It's Sunday morning. I've got 2 more tent installs. It's supposed to be rainy today, so we'll see how that goes. I gotta tell you guys, I'm happy to be back vlogging with you, so I'll try to keep it interesting, but follow me along the way. My little rental company is growing, and you're gonna be there every step of the way. So there's no way in.
There's no way in. There's no way into my garage right now. Gotta clean it all up to get in.
Okay, so this is the frame of the impact aluminum canopy. So it's nice and thick. Let's pop it open. so I set that one up, and the lady said that I forgot a few tables, so which I didn't, but there was a Walmart close, so I just went and picked up a few tables from Walmart and dropped them off to her because I gotta be at the next place to set up a tent now. So let's go to the next place. So these guys right here are the stakes that you should be using for pop-up tents if they don't mind them going in the grass. So I put them 5 feet out just from the corner and then ratchet them on. Hammer them in and then just use the back of the hammer to twist them down with a little bit of force. So as you can see right there, it's just ratcheted down. Show you right there. It's in and it's solid. Okay, so this is my go-to here. My van, obviously, and this is my trailer I haven't shown you too much of. See how there's a roof on it there? I'm gonna take that roof off of it. And I'm just gonna put a cover on it so that I can get my 5-foot rounds into this trailer so that I can take it on gigs rather than always renting a U-Haul trailer for me to haul behind, So one of the tent tops came back with a ripped D-ring. What do you do? Okay, so the tent top was a little bit wet, so I laid it out overnight to dry on the chairs here. And you can see right here, down here, this is one of the regular D-rings. So it's just kind of cheaply sewn on there. We're going to reinforce those. And then this one's ripped right here, so we're just going to sew a new one on. So I've been practicing. This is one of my D-rings. It's got a sloppy stitch on it, but I'm gonna do some better stitches for the other one, so let's do it. Anyways, this is my sewing owl. I got it from Princess Auto for $9.95. Okay, so we've got the broken part here. We're going to take some white polyester webbing. If you want to see my full video on the sewing awl, click right here.
Thanks for watching, guys. Sub to the channel, and as always, stay classy.